She's an upcoming fashion designer that's put together an introductory line that consists of hues of blue and green. Leonie Thompson joins me now to showcase that for you. Good morning, Leonie.
Good morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time.
Thank you.
Why blues and greens?
It's not necessarily, well, it just went with the collection.
Okay.
So initially it was just, I want to use denim.
Okay.
And then what goes with denim? I want something to look summery, something fun, something that can go for all occasion at the same time. And I was like, what should I use? I don't want to go the typical way. I don't want to use satin. I don't want to use everything that everybody else would normally use for a fashion
something different.
So I just wanted to be different. So I said, okay, no matter how they say, oh, don't use denim, it's too expensive. I was like, no, I want my denim. I'm going to use my denim. So then I just paired it with organza and tulle, and I was like, all right, time to figure out the color combination. You know when you have an idea in your head and then you go to the store, it's like, oh, that's not going to work. Okay, this is going to work. And then you pick it, and then it goes together and it just flows after that.
Yeah, so it kind of just organically evolved along the way. How did you get involved in fashion design?
It's mostly from primary school when I would do 4-H. So I would join competitions. So my first fashion sewing was like sewing pantry towels.
Right.
So I would join that competition, came first in St. Andrew, went on to finals, came fourth. And then in high school, you know, we had to do vocational courses. So clothing and textile was like one of my strongest courses because I just love sewing. I'd cut up my mom's sheet. I would find any scraps. I would stop off the bus to go to the dressmaker in my community just to get scraps to make dolly clothes. And from there, it just went on.
Nice. All right, so this morning we're going to be showcasing some of the pieces. Let's see, who are we going to be starting with?
So we're starting with Ashanti. She's wearing a 2-piece. It's a pleated skirt, wrap skirt with a crop top.
All right, Ashanti, let's go. All right, so we got the denim.
Yes, denim and organza.
An organza, yeah. So where are we thinking we can rock this look?
Oh, to a nice little party, a nice little going out. Anybody, birthday, it's for any occasion.
Yeah. I like it. And what I like about it is, you know, you can pull it apart. You can wear it with different things. That top can go with anything.
Yes.
And the skirt can also be paired with something else.
Yes, so if you don't like the showing off your belly and stuff, just pair it with a nice pin under or a shirt and with all sneakers.
Yeah.
Goes very well. It's a nice, versatile fit.
It's a versatile fit. All right, we got something for the gentleman.
Yes. No, this is Cardo. He's wearing a full denim on denim male cargo suit and button down.
All right.
On the back of his shirt is a fox chenille. So it's what you cut the fabric, like layers of fabric, and you cut it and brush it, and then it gives you that fray look.
Oh.
So that's design on the back.
Yeah, you'll have to pass me for me to see it. I see it.
Yes.
All right. Is that also denim on the back of it?
No, well, the whole fit is denim, and then because the denim is too thick and it doesn't fray as much, we had to use different
something
fabric.
else.
Yes.
Yeah, I like the pockets. Pockets are in for this summer. And the ankles, that's elastic.
Elastic.
Yes. Which means he can pull them up if he wants to.
Exactly.
Give him a short
it's
look.
not elastic waist though. It's just button waist.
Yeah. He can pull them up and give himself a short look. If he want it a short look, pull it down if he want.
Want to show off your socks?
Yeah.
Definitely.
DKNY. All right, thank you very much, sir. Up next,
we have Titania.
Titania
is wearing a 2-piece. So it's actually a bodysuit with organza bell sleeve and a flare bottom.
Yeah. Titania's on our carpet. Yes. Ready for the gram, eh?
Yeah.
Different colors, so different layers of organza, huh?
So you start with the bottom, it's the burgundy, then we pair it with the royal blue, then we have a little aqua going, and then we pair it off back with the sleeve and put in the sky blue.
Yeah. Excellent. So it's still different, not denim, but still making a statement.
Right.
Excellent.
And then it still goes with the colors that are used with the denim.
Absolutely. All right, thank you, ma'am. And then we got our gents up again.
Yes,
Yeah.
for gents. So no, the males that love suit, this one is for you. So this one is for the males that, you know, want something formal and casual at the same time. So it's suiting mixed with denim on the lapel.
Okay. How do you get inspiration for your pieces?
Well, we have to go through various courses at school, and one of them was to like focus mostly on finding trends around the world and stuff. So we had to do a lot of research. So the time when I was doing this, I noticed like denim was coming in style.
Right.
So the girlies who wanted their mini pleated skirts and stuff like that, it was definitely denim, which is why I stuck with my denim, because I know that no matter what, even if I won't sell these, I will definitely sell a piece. So denim is always in it.
Denim is always in. It's your introductory line. What's the feedback been so far?
Oh, they have been loving it.
Nice.
No sale as yet. I hope this one gives it. But they have been loving it.
Yeah.
I love all my pieces. I noticed, I call the line expression. And I noticed that every time I put a different model in each of the pieces, they all carry a different story behind of it. They all enjoy the piece that they're in.
Yeah. You were one of the designers at the Art Walk Festival, Fashion Over Style. How was that for you?
It was my first like official fashion show after my debut at school. So it was nerve-wracking. I didn't know what others would think, because I know my pieces were great, but like I didn't know what others will think. Is it too revealing? Will the audience like it? Would it go to the younger audience as well and stuff like that? But when I put the models in it, I was like, wow, I love this. I was like, all right, I'm a little reassured now. Okay, go on stage, slay. You guys are doing amazing. And it was just amazing.
And it was amazing.
I loved the experience.
I'm glad. So for those who are watching and they want to see more of what you do or to get an idea of how to access the collection, where do they go?
Well, they can go on Instagram at Leonness, LEONNESS._, and you'll find my page right there.
All right, so go check her out. You know, I tell you about young people and about Jamaican, entrepreneurs, and this is a young fashion designer, Leonness. So go check her out. I'm sure she has something for your closet. Thank you so much for being with us this morning. Thanks to our models also for being here. Fashion designer Leonie Thompson. After the break, we have a chat with Dre J.A.